How to find discrepancies in Excel. To find discrepancies in Excel, you can techniques depending on the type and size of your data. Some of the common methods are filters. Apply filters to specific columns to view unique values and quickly spot inconsistent data. Conditional formatting. Use formatting rules to highlight cells that meet specific criteria or mismatch data between columns. Advanced Excel functions. Utilize functions such as match and VLOOKUP to compare data sets and identify discrepancies between them. Excel add-ins. Use third-party tools like Excel Div to detect differences in cell content, type, formatting, and present them in a visual format. Learn more. How to check data correction in Excel. To check data correction in Excel, you can use various tools and features available in the application. Here are a few methods to help you ensure data correctness. 1. Spell check. Excel has a built-in spell checker that can help you identify and correct spelling errors in your data. To use it, select the data range you want to check, go to the Review tab in the Excel ribbon, and click on Spelling or Spelling and Grammar. Excel will scan the selected range for potential spelling errors and provide suggestions for correction. 2. Data validation. Excel's data validation feature allows you to set rules and restrictions on the data entered into specific cells or ranges. By defining validation criteria, you can ensure that only valid and correct data is entered. To use data validation, select the cell, S, or range you want to apply the validation to, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon, click on Data Validation, and set the desired criteria and error messages. 3. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting enables you to highlight cells or ranges based on specific conditions or rules. You can use this feature to identify and correct potential errors or inconsistencies in your data. For example, you can apply conditional formatting to highlight duplicate values, identify values outside a certain range, or flag potential errors based on custom formulas. To apply conditional formatting, select the cells or range you want to format, go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose the desired formatting rule. 4. Formulas and functions. Excel offers a wide range of formulas and functions that can help you validate and correct data. For example, you can use the if function to check for specific conditions and return different values or perform calculations based on the results. Additionally, functions like VLOOKUP or index match can help you verify data against reference tables or perform data lookups to ensure correctness. 5. Error checking. Excel provides an error checking feature that can help you identify potential errors or inconsistencies in your data. When Excel detects an error, it displays a small green triangle in the top left corner of the cell. You can click on the triangle to see the error message and options to correct or ignore the error. You can also use the error checking button in the Excel ribbon to run a comprehensive error check on the entire worksheet. By utilizing these tools and features in Excel, you can proactively identify and correct data errors, ensuring the accuracy and integrity of your data.